The DMI experimental paradigm can be used to examine how the working memory is involved in the complex syntactic processing and to further assess the processing asymmetry of the Chinese relative clauses. Combining DMI paradigm with the lexical decision task and automatical moving window technique is a novel approach for measuring the cross of a spoken sentence processing in real time. Demonstrating the procedure with me will be Peihan Cheng, a college student at NTIN.
Before beginning the experiment, select a total of 48 bisyllabic Chinese words, including 24 words and 24 non-words, for the lexical decision task. Select the words from the Seneca Corpus Technical Report, taking care that all of the target words are of a medium frequency. Create the 24 non-words by using 2 monosyllabic characters that are individually meaningful but whose combination is semantically anomalous, avoiding bisyllabic character words with identical radicals. Manually co-locate the 24 non-words in filler sentences and the 24 words in target relative clause sentences. Compose the auditory stimuli into 72 sentences, including 24 subject-gapped relative clause sentences, 24 object-gapped relative clause sentences, and 24 filler sentences. Then divide the 48 relative clause sentences evenly into 2 groups to create an incomplete counterbalanced design to forming 48 trials.